given statutory resolution disapproving of the ordinance. I am not going into the merit of what the Home Minister and the Leader of the House read out at all. I am not going into the merits of the bill also. The members will speak on that. I need a direction from you, a ruling from you on this question, that when there is a statutory resolution by 3 members separately, not given together, disapproving of the ordinance, without disposing of the resolutions, will you take up consideration of the bill straight away? This is just a constitutional question, as you will read under Article 123(2)(a), that after an ordinance, the ordinance has to be converted into a bill within 6 weeks of the assembly of the House. That is 6 weeks from 21st February, when the House sat for the budget session. Now the question is that what has come as a bill has no similarity to the ordinance. Entirely new law has been put. Normally, an ordinance is converted to bill in total, but there is a total change in the... So what I would plead with you, ma'am, that please dispose of the statutory resolution disapproving of the ordinance, and after that you take up consideration of the bill. I have nothing to say about the merits of the bill. Members will debate, will say, but you must take the proper constitutional line in enacting a legislation, otherwise it will be totally defective. I would like to give you a ruling on the same matter as to whether when a statutory resolution is there, you can start the consideration of the bill without disposing of the statutory resolution. 3 people, Dr. Bhola Singh, Gurudas Dasgupta and myself, we have given the notice for the statutory resolution. You didn't even look at us and ask the Home Minister straight off to read his very, very long statement. Why that, ma'am? Dispose of the statutory resolution, let the debate begin. Why we bypass the normal procedure as is expected under the Constitution? That is our basic constitutional obligation. Right. That is the rule. That is article of the Constitution under which I seek your indulgence, madam.
Right. I reserve my ruling. I'll give it to in a little while. Dr. Bhola Singh. Yes, I have noted